In this video, we're looking at how to develop Advocate Office Management System. This script is good for like lawyers. So let's look at how this script is going to look like as in the login page after you develop it. It's going to look something like this. Then we are going to log in. Use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel to my file manager. From my file manager, I will go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes. This one I'm using. I've already uploaded my script. Next, I'm going to extract it. Extract files. The next, I will just close this. Here is the extracted file. Now a directory or a folder. Let me open the folder. I'm going to select all the content by me just clicking on this place. Then right click, move. I'm moving it to the root folder, move files. So now let me click on back and copy my subdomain name, open a new tab. Okay, enter. So this is what you have. Yes, I click on next. So I will go back to my cPanel to create my database so I can fill here. Then I fill here normally. So let me go back to my cPanel. Then to my databases. Manage my databases. So let me name my database as Advocate DB, like this. I copy it. Then I click on create database. Database created successfully. I click on back. After creating my database, next I'm going to create my user. The user. Okay, I can name it whatever I like, but I like using this convention. Confirm. Then I click on create user. User created successfully. Next, I'm going to add my user to my database. So let me scroll down. I'm sorry when I just created Advocate DB. Advocate, yes. Then I click on add. Next, I will give up privileges to the user. Scroll down, make changes. Now, database created successfully. Let me now copy my username back to my site. Database, that's localhost. Username, database name, that's it. Okay. Now, first name, let me say admin. Last name, let me say admin. Email, let me say admin@example.com. Username, let me say admin. Okay. Now I just click on finish. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Advocate. Okay, don't forget to delete the install directory. So let me go back to my C file manager, install. So this one I'm going to delete it. Confirm. Now let me go back to my site. Go to your login page. So here is it. I can now log in from here. Let's log in. I have successfully installed my script. Please kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. To install your script, use the I am link in the description to I am to help you install your script. And if this video is helpful, please kindly use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me a coffee. Thank you.